Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Slack for alerts from your no-code app. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Slack for alerts from your no-code app, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Slack website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, click on Get Started. Follow the prompts to create a new Slack workspace. Once logged in, select the workspace where you want to receive alerts. Next, go to the Apps section in the sidebar. Type in the search bar to find the app you wish to integrate. Click on the app to open its details page. Follow the installation instructions provided by the app. You may be asked to authorize the app to access your Slack workspace. After authorization, configure the settings for alerts. Specify the type of alerts you want to receive. Select the channel where you want the alerts to be posted. Complete the setup by saving your changes. Now, return to your no-code app. Navigate to the Notifications or Integrations settings. Enter the Slack webhook URL that was generated during the app installation. Test the integration to ensure alerts are being sent to Slack. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Slack for alerts from your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.